all. If you mute only, get it properly. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. We no need to tell. Mute yourself all. Okay. Now this is your exercise 3.6 summa. The question number 1. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Now they are not the linear equations, not in standard form. You have to make into standard form. Okay, you have to make into standard form. You are joining. Okay, now 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. That means 1 by 2x means 1 by 2 into 1 by x, and 1 by 3y means 1 by 3 into 1 by y. So like this, in denominators variables are in denominators variables are there means Santosh, late joining. Ready? 9-6. Mute. Manikanta, mute your phone. Manikanta, mute. Manikanta and Satish, mute. Both of you, mute your phones. Both. Okay. And now 1 by 2x means 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3y means 1 by 3 into 1 by y equal to 2. In 1 by 3x means 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. Here you have to suppose 1 by x is a and 1 by y is b. Let us mute. Arey Satish, Manikanta, mute your phones here. So many are there. Mute option is there, you see? Manikanta. Okay. Now, see the salvation of solution. See here. Go to solution. Here you see. Let 1 by x be p suppose and 1 by y be q is suppose. The equation changes into as follows. That means p by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by x means 1 by x suppose as p by 2 plus q by 3. 1 by y is q is suppose q by 3 is equal to 2. Then you can do LCM. LCM is 2, 3, LCM is 6. 6 in 3 times 3p. 6 in 3 table 2 times. 3p plus 2q equal to by 6 equal to 2. 6 you transpose 3p plus 2q equal to 12. Then the equation is 3p plus 2q minus 12 equal to 0. This is our equation in terms of p and q. In terms of p and q. And then next 1 by 3x means 1 by 3 into 1 by x. So 1 by x is x. 1 by x means p by 3. 1 by 2y means 1 by y is suppose q by 2 equal to 13 by 6. LCM. 3 to LCM 6. 6 in 3 table 2 times 2p. 2 in 6. 3 times 3q. 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Denominator 6 cancel. Both sides 6 is we can cancel. Hence 2p plus 3q minus 3 equal to 0. This is our standard form. We have to reduce it to pairs of linear equation. This is the way you have to write. When you should do this one means in the denominators variables are there. In the denominators variables are there. We have to follow like this, and we can solve by any method. If here we can solve. Malitish, mute. Okay. Sirisha, Nikita. Okay. Now, understand reducing into this one equation form. Anyone doubt you can ask? Ma, you understand? Arey, how many are here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many are here? Huh? Arey, Manikanda and Satish, you are calling all Agrara students are all. Mattu house in the village. Okay. Now next.
Sir.
Tell me.
You explained it some, sir. I didn't understood.
Which one? Which equation? Full?
First one. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Problem.
1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y means it is in the form of 1 by 2 into 1 by x. 1 by 3y means 1 by 3 into 1 by y. So here we are supposing let 1 by x is p, we suppose. That means p by 2. 1 by 2x means p by 2. 1 by 3y means P by Q by 3. 1 by y is Q na? Q by 3 is equal to 2. This is a reducing form. After supposing cursor is my cursor. P by 2 plus Q by 3 equal to 2. P by 2 plus Q by 3 equal to 2. Okay. Is it understand? Litish? How you got it? Litish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now see, 1 by 3x means 1 by 3 into 1 by x means P by 3. 1 by 2y means Q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now this is a simplification. Amma. Here LCM 2, 3, LCM 6. 6 in 2 table 3 times 3P plus 6 in 3 table 2 times 2Q. 3P plus 2Q equal by 6 is equal to 2. 6 you transpose to RHS. 6 to 12. 3P plus 2Q equal to 12. 12 you transpose to LHS. Then your final simplification is solution is equation is 3P plus 2Q minus 12 equal to 0. That is the first equation. We reduce into pair of linear equation. And then next one is LCM. 3 to LCM is 6. 6 in 3 table 2 times 2P. Again 6 in 2 table 3 times 3Q. 2P plus 3Q by 6. By 6. Both sides 6 is there. Both sides 6 is there. You can cancel. Hence 3 plus 3Q. Mute. Don't talk with each other. 2P plus 3Q minus 13 equal to 0. This is my second equation. I got first equation. This one. Second equation I got. I can do by any method. If it not mention particular method, I can do by substitution method. I can do by elimination method. I can do by cross multiplication method. Here he did a cross multiplication method. He can do by any method, no problem. He did by cross multiplication method. He can do by any method. P by B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Q by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus B2 B1. That is the A1 B A1 A2 B1 B2 C1 you have to write. What are A1 A2 B1 B2? See, A1 means 3. A2 means 2. Manoj. Okay. A2 means 2. Manoj. A1 is 3. A2 is 2. B1 is 2. B2 is 3. C1 is minus 12. C2 is minus 13. So that you have to substitute here. P by A1 B2 minus C1. Q by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Cross multiplication. Mute. Okay, now P by 10 is equal to Q by 15 is equal to 1 by 5. P by 10 equal to 1 by 5. P equal to 2 and Q equal to 3. After getting PQ values, P means we suppose 1 by x equal to 2. After getting Q value, 1 by y equal to 3. Hence, we can do cross multiplication. X equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3 we got. You see, x equal to 1 by 3 and x equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3 we got. Understand? This model, Amma. If you understand one model, you can do all models. If you understand first some, any doubt? Okay, now mute. Now go to second sum. Now here, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Here, putting 1 by root x equal to p and 1 by root y equal to q in the given equations. We obtained what we obtained means 2 by root x means 2p. 1 by root x is 2p. 2 into 1 by root x. 1 by root x is suppose p. That's why you got 2p directly. 2p plus 3 by root y means 3 into 1 by root y. 1 by root y is q. 3q. 2p plus 3q equal to 2 first equation. You got directly. And then 4 by root x means 4 into 1 by root x. That means 1 by root x is p. 4p minus 1 by root y means q. 4p minus 9q equal to minus 1. This is my second equation. Is it okay? Understand? I suppose 1 by root x is p and 1 by root y is q. Then 2 by root x means 2 into 1 by root x. 1 by root x value suppose as p. 2p plus 3 by root y means 3 into 1 by root y. 3q is equal to 2. First equation. 4 by root x means 1 by root x is p minus 9 by root y means 9q equal to minus 1. Now we have to solve. Here is solved by elimination method. Now I did elimination. You can do by any method. How you can do elimination means I can multiply equation 1 by 3, or I can multiply by 2 also. If I multiply by 3, v variable cancel. If I multiply by 2, p variable get cancelled. That's why here Rahul has entered the waiting room for the meeting. Okay. And now multiply by 3 means 3 2s are 6p, 3 3s are 9q, 3 2s are 6. This is third equation. Now same variables and different signs. Same variables and different signs. So we can add. So adding equation 2 and 3 we obtained means 4p plus 6p. 10p equal to 9q plus and cancel 5. 10p equal to 5. Hence, p is equal to 5 by 10, 1 by 2. Now I am substituting equation 1 in p value, substituting in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2p. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3q equal to 2, 2 cancel. 3p equal to 3q equal to 1, q equal to 1 by 3. Hence, here we suppose p means 1 by root x na. 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2 means 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2 means root x equal to 2. Root x equal to means x equal to 2 square. 2 square means 4. Next, q equal to 1 by root y. 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication. Root y equal to 3. Hence, y is equal to 3 square, 9. Hence, my x and y values are 4 and 9. PQ values after finding, you have to find XY values also. Don't stop with PQ only, amma. You have to find XY values also. Understand? Second sum, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay.
Sir.
Okay. Mute.
We can do cross multiplication also, sir.
We can do by any method. Substitution, cross multiplication, elimination. Which method you are freeing? We not mention a solve, just mention solve the equation means whatever we are easy to do, that method you can do it. My suggestion is elimination is the best. If you not mention particular method, elimination is best. Otherwise, if you do cross multiplication means you can do it, no problem. Substitution I can do, sir, means you can do it. Particularly, one method not mentioned in the question means we can do by any for word problems or like this reducing equation, this model. We can do by any method. Okay, and now Venkatesh again went and again come back. Going for breakfast or what, Venkatesh? Huh? Okay, and now you see third sum. 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14. 3 by x minus 4 by equal to 23. Here you see only x only in denominator. That's why you suppose substituting 1 by x equal to p in the given equation. Why not change it? Why unnecessary changing? Only 1 by x in p, one variable only. 1 by y not there na? That's why substituting in place of 1 by x, p is supposed. Then our equation is 4 by x means 4 into 1 by x means 4p. 3 by equal to 14. Sound. Next 3p minus 4y equal to 23. This is our new equations. Now transpose minus 14, transpose minus 23. I told when you are doing cross multiplication method, compulsory you have to transpose equal to 0. Compulsory. Observe here. Minus 14 minus 23 equal to 0 he mentioned. That should follow everyone. By cross multiplication method means you have to transpose to LHS side compulsory constant numbers. For other sums, no need to do. For other methods, for substitution method, for elimination method, you no need to do. But compulsory for cross multiplication method, equal to 0 form, we should write. Now he did by cross multiplication method. This is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. P by B1, C2 minus B2, C1. Simplification he wrote. Q not there. Y by C1, A2 minus C2, A1 is equal to 1 by A1, B2 minus A2, B1. P by minus 125, Y by 50 equal to minus 1 by 25. P by minus 125 equal to minus 1 by 25. Y by 50 equal to minus 1 by 25. If you do cross multiplication, P equal to 5 and Y equal to minus 2. Now here we suppose only P 1 by x. That's why 1 by x equal to 5, x equal to 1 by 5, and y equal to minus 2. Up to these three are one model. Understand all? These three.
Yes, sir.
Somebody
Yes,
are
sir.
sitting together, children talking. Don't talk. Manasa, Shaida, Karthik, Vinita, sitting. And those two are.
ఇది రావట్లేదురా.
ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉందంటమ్మా. Okay. And now see the fourth one. Fourth one is somewhat different model. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 10. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. Here, binomial is there. So we have to suppose this full binomial means 1 by x minus 1 full, you have to suppose as p. 1 by y minus 2 full, you have to suppose as q. Now the equation reduced to 5p plus q. 5p plus q is equal to 2, and down 1 by x minus 1 full is supposed as p. 6p minus 1 by y minus 2 as q. So 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Now reducing form. You see in the question now how it reduced. Putting 1 by x minus 1 full p you have to suppose. There is a difference. And 1 by y minus 2 full you have to suppose q in the given equation. Then we obtained 5p plus q. 5 good. Bindu wrote her name. Manikanta. Screen, your name on the screen means you're touching the screen, amma. Manikanta, don't touch. Now 1 by x minus 1 is p. 1 again Manikanta touches the screen. 1 by y minus 2 equal to q. So 5p plus q equal to 2 and 6p minus 3q equal to 1. Again hit it by elimination method. Means here q is there. In second equation 3q is there. So first equation multiplying equation 1 by 3. Then we obtain what we obtained means 3 5s are 15p, 3q, 3 2s are 6. 15p plus 3q equal to 6. This is my third equation. Now different signs. This is plus 3q and this is minus 3q. If they are different signs, we can add. Adding 2 3 equations, 2 and 3. If we add, I will get 15p plus 6p, 21p plus 3q minus 3q cancel. 1 plus 6, 7. 21p equal to 7. Hence p equal to 1 by 3. Putting this value in the equation 1 means 5p, 5 into 1 by 3 plus q equal to 2. That means 5 by 3. Then q equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Means LCM, mama. LCM 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5. 1 by 3. So q equal to 1 by 3 we got. P equal to 1 by 3. Q equal to 1 by 3 we got. Your sum not completed. We have to find x and y values that you remember. Now next process. P means we suppose as 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. X minus 1 equal to 3. Then transpose minus 1 to RHS. X equal to 4. This is my x value. And next 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. Y minus 2 equal to 3. Transpose minus 2 to RHS. Y is equal to 5. X equal to 4. And y is equal to 5. These are the two values. Ma understand this fourth sum? My name.
Sir.
Okay, all. Now
Yes, sir.
we'll go to fifth
Sir.
sum.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute. Good children, mute. Now, fifth one somewhat different. 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5. That means we have to multiply with xy, or we have to separate. You have to first transpose this one, otherwise you have to split the equation. Means 7x by xy minus 2y by xy. 7x by xy minus 2y by xy equal to 5. X cancel. I got 7 by y minus y cancel minus 2 by x equal to 5. This is the way you have to reduce. First you have to bring into this form. 7 by y minus 2 by x equal to 5. And then second equation he gave. 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. This is our second equation. This also split. 8x by xy plus 7y by xy. X cancel 8 by y cancel 7 by x is equal to 15. Now my two equations are, so one more step, we have to go back. That's why extra. We have to splitting. Splitting we did 7x by xy minus 2y by xy means x cancel 7 by y. 2y by xy means 2 by x equal to 5. Next, 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. Split 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. X cancel 8 by y. Y cancel 7 by x. 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15. Okay. And now, in place of 1 by x, p you are putting. In place of 1 by y, q you are putting. Then what we obtain means, now our new equations are, slowly talking. Shahid and Manasa, who is a? Shahid and Manasa, who? Ma Bindu, mute. Bindu. Oh, Bindu. Go again. Okay. Now, 1 by x is p and 1 by y is q. Then my equations are 7 by y means 7q minus 2p equal to 5. 7q minus 2p equal to 5. Here, 8q plus 7p equal to 15. This is my obtained equations, two equations. Minus 2p plus, that's why he changed it. Q came now first, you want to get p and then q, that's why minus 2p plus 7q equal to 5, minus 2p plus 7q minus 5 equal to 0, 7p plus 8q equal to 15, 7p plus 8q minus 15 equal to 0. That's why he did one sum with elimination and one with cross multiplication he did. You can do by any method, your wish. You can do by substitution also. Now a1 is minus 2, a2 is 7, b1 is 7, b2 is 8, c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 15, compulsory, equal to 0. Cross multiplication method means, remember, p by b1 into b2. b1 b2 means p by a1 b2. a1 b2 means a1 b2 minus 105. a1 is a1 minus 2 into b2. Sorry. First one, b1 c2. b1 means 7, c2 means 15, minus 15. 15 7s are minus 105. How you are getting? I am telling Amma. See here, b1 c2 means b1 is 7, c2 is minus 15. 15 7s are minus 105 minus c1 b2, c1 5, b2 8, minus 5 into 8 minus 40. Okay, and then q by, this is c1 a2 means this is c1 minus 5, a2 7, 5 7 the 35 minus 35 minus 10 minutes time, no problem, minus c2a1 means minus 15 into a1 minus 2, minus 15 into minus 2 means plus 30. So minus 35 minus 30, already minus there, this one 30. Now 1 by a1 b2 means minus 16, 2 8 are 16, minus a2 b1, 7 7s are 49. Good. So minus 15 minus of minus plus, minus 105 plus 40 means p by minus 65, and q by minus 35 minus 30 means minus 65, 1 by both negatives, so minus 65. Hence p equal to 1 and q equal to 1, p1 q1. Then 1 by x equal to 1 and 1 by y equal to 1. Hence x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1. And now in sixth sum, one more step back. One more step back means here equal to 6xy given. So divide by xy on both sides. First step, divide by xy on both sides. After dividing xy on both sides, you will get like previous step. Previous step what? 6x plus 3y by xy is equal to 6x by xy means xy cancel, 6 will be left over. And then next splitting. 6x by xy means xx cancel, 6 by y. One more step back. 3y by xy means y cancel, 3 by x is equal to 6. This is the first equation. And now coming to second equation, 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy means divide by xy on both sides. Divide by xy on both sides. Then 2x plus 4y by xy is equal to 5xy by xy. Xy cancel, 5 will be left. Here 2x by xy means xx cancel 2 by y. 4y by xy means y cancel 4 by x is equal to 5. Now we got our model. Then putting 1 by x equal to p and 1 by x equal to q, all are same model. Then now 6 by y plus 3 by x means 3 by x you wrote first. 6q plus 3p equal to 6. Then plus 1, that's why you wrote first. 3p plus 6q minus 6 equal to 0 directly wrote. And then 2y means 2p plus 4p equal to 5. Then first 4p plus 2q minus 5 equal to 0. Again cross multiplication method. And now see. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. See first B1, C2. B1, C2 means 6 into minus 5, minus 30, minus 6 to 12, minus of minus 12, minus 30 plus 12 means minus 18, and Q by C1, A2. C1, A2 means this one, C1, A2. 6 4 are 20, minus 24, minus C2, A1. 3 5 are 15, minus 15, minus of minus plus 15, minus 24 plus 15, minus 9. Ma, Shrestha Charita, 8 kitchen like 11 into Shrestha Charita. Okay, now 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. 1 by A1 B2 means A1 B2. A1 B2 means this one. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 6 are 24. I think elimination is easy, Rafi. I think you feel, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. We can do it. If not, maybe you can do it. Good. See, P by minus 30 minus or minus plus 12 means minus 18. Q by minus 24 plus 15 minus 9. And 6 by 6 minus 24 means minus 18. Hence, P by minus 18 equal to 1 by minus 18. Q by minus 9 equal to 1 by 18. And my values are P equal to 1 and Q equal to 1 by 2. So, what you have to do means, we have to find xy values. 1 by x equal to 1, x equal to 1, 1 by y equal to 1 by 2 means cross multiplication. My cross multiplication is y equal to 2, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Now what you will do means, you can finish up to 6th sum. You can do in class or book. You can do it up to 6th sum, or what you will do? By any method you can do it. But starting, you have to do this simplification. You will do up to 6 in class or book, or you will write in the book. After sharing answers, you can write in class or book. What you will do? Tell me.
Rough book, sir.
Okay, first write in the book. Then I can share the notes tomorrow after seeing your answers. Then you can write in class neatly. Understand? So we have
Okay, sir.
tomorrow polynomial test is there, Amma. Online test. I will send the link. If you click the link, you can directly enter into the Google Forms and you can write the test and submit within the time. First day, I gave time. Tomorrow I can give 1 hour or 2 hours. I will keep maximum. Kindly cooperate. Don't take more time. That in that time only you have to finish it. According to sums, how much time required? With that, I'll give the time, and within time you finish it. Okay. If I click the link, directly you can enter the Google Forms and you can answer it. Before submitting, check your answers and submit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kindly write your name compulsory. Not writing name. This time maybe I have to accept, or I think somebody are not typing your name. First only you will type name. Type your name and roll number. Name and roll number compulsory. First time some problems. Now you understand. First, if you enter the Google Forms, type your name, roll number. These two compulsory. Any doubt you can ask Maulavi. Maulavi, you can ask.
Sir, how to send test, sir?
How to send and submit it means you can get them. If you submit after finishing, submit option will be there. You can submit, you can verify also.
Okay, sir.
If you want to show they ask, I think one option. What is that? Last after submitting. View score. View score will be there. If you click view score, you can see your score also. View score option is there. If you Click there, you can see your answers.
Only for maths only, sir.
What?
Only for maths subject only, sir. No.
Now I tried others also. They will try means you can do only max only tomorrow. I don't know other subjects. Tomorrow max only. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. That is a plan for exam. Get ready. Prepare well. I can give salvation sums. I can give 1 mark type. I can give 2 marks. I can have seen like that only for 20 marks. I'll give right and get more score. Try to get more score, everyone. Ma, Harichandana, this time I think you entered. Do it, Harichandana. Okay. Once the
Sir,
yes.
sir, this you send PDF, sir. We'll write in classwork.
What? Today I will not send. Today you have to do your own in rough book.
Okay, sir.
Today you write in rough book
This
own. Tomorrow I send
6 sums, sir.
Monday I will send 6 sums. 6 sums. You do.
Okay, sir.
Monday I will send PDF if you want to write in class or book. You do it. You try. You try na. I explained. 30
Okay.
You can try it. Then you can do it. If any wrongs are there, Monday I will send PDF. Then you can check your answers and write neatly in class or book. Understand? Along with that, prepare after afternoon. Prepare for exam. Afternoon time is there na.
Yes, sir.
1 o'clock after lunch, you prepare for polynomials. Prepare.
Okay, sir.
Array video. Who is that fellow? Somasekara.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to write your marks. They know their marks. You don't need to post in the group. My marks is this, my marks is this. You don't need to post. I know. I can see the responses. You can see view score. You keep hide. You don't need to release anything. Understand? First day na you did my score is this, my score is this. You don't need to do. Okay, you can view your score. I can see the responses. How many responses I will keep in the group? How many responses come? Your marks also I can put after at last. No problem. You no need to say my marks is this, my marks is that. No need to say. Okay, you view your score. That's all. You no need to share answers anything. Write honestly. It is for your benefit only. Write your honestly. Already done na? Less than 1 time. Thank you very much. Cooperate nicely. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Automatically
Thank
the
you,
class
sir.
is going to the end. Within a few seconds.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Till
Thank you, sir.
wait up to last minute you wait. I'll take the attendance 20. I'll take the attendance. Wait, attendance I'm taking. Okay, thank you one and all.